Hello from the City of Darlington. My name is Mayor Boyd, and I just want to give you a few quick updates. The Ballfields, we're excited about the progress out there on Blue Street by the school. Progress is coming on really well for the Ballfields, so plans are to be able to play ball in 2025 this coming year. So that's a long time coming. We've been working on that since the city has since early 90s. Finally coming to premonition to be able to play out there and have a wonderful field, a place for the public to enjoy, the citizens to enjoy and be proud of. We gave out a beautification award. The Beautification Club did to the new courthouse uptown, and there's a beautiful place. They've done a wonderful job with that, and we're greatly appreciative of that. We have the new city manager, Mrs. Hawkins, has joined us and doing well, and looking forward to her working with us in the new year and as we move forward to help us get a lot of things accomplished in the city. So we're excited about her being with us on board also. The splash pad is still in current progress of being ready to be open. Hopefully in May is the progress. Everything has been approved. I'll move forward on that. And so we're waiting on to finish the few construction pieces that need to be done on that to have it ready for this year. We're excited about that beautiful splash pad over on Orange Street behind City Hall. And, this past month, we did a lot with the Christmas lights and excited about all that, all the good attention for that. We appreciate everybody that worked on making the city of Darlington beautiful and putting the time and effort into it, and council approving lights and stuff in Wells Park and through all out town. We got a lot more coming for next year. It's going to be an exciting year, 2025, and we appreciate all the workers and employees for the city of Darlington and all the residents stepping up to make the city a beautiful place to live that we call home. Have a great day.